What's going on, everybody? Zach here at Dark Hills European Mounts. I got a super cool animal to do today. Let me show you. I actually got him skinned already because YouTube doesn't like that. But easy way to do a small animal. It's a super small animal, and if you don't have a small pot to get them boiling in, use one of these. Yeah, little crock pot. I know, weird, right? So yeah, get them skinned. Get some soap in here, plop them in there, put it on low, and just leave them for about, I'd say, 4 to 5 hours. You pull them out, all that stuff's gonna spray right off. If you don't have a pressure washer, not a big deal. A little bit of water, maybe a coarse toothbrush, you'll get all that stuff off super easy. Let me show you what we got going on here. Apologize for the noise. I live by an interstate. It's super loud. Sorry. Anyway, got a little badger in there. He's only been in there for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna leave him for, like I said, 4.5, 5 hours. Put him in at 10:30 this morning. I'll take him out around, let's see, what is that? 3:30, give or take. But let's do it. I appreciate you guys being here. Stick around for the end reveal, and let's get this thing done. Hey, y'all, so I dropped the ball. So I let that thing sit in there in that crock pot. Right over there. Anyway, for about 5 hours. Pulled them out, sprayed them off. Didn't hit record on the phone. Whoopsie. So I got them all cleaned off. I put them back in the pot for about 2 hours on high with a little bit of my whitening product. I use a product called Aqua Silk. It is a very powerful, it's a pool shock oxidizer basically, but it's high peroxide volume. I use 1 gallon of that per 3 gallons of water is my ratio. I mix that and then I just boil them or simmer him in that for a little while. But I left him in this for about 2 hours. I actually let him simmer and whiten for about 2 hours, and sprayed him off again, and here he is. You can see these little holes. The guy got shot. I think it was little. I think it was like buckshot or something was what he was using, because there's little BBs everywhere. Could have been a shotgun. I don't know. I don't know what he was using, but there's a couple little stains right in here from the pellets, from like the lead from it. A couple little stains here, but for the most part, he is clean and beautiful. The underside, nice and clean. Rawr. Look at them teeth. Them teeth are gnarly. Again, this is an American badger, is what it is. So, pretty rad little animal. I love doing these little guys. They're just super cool looking. So, yeah, little badger skull project done. I'm gonna let him sit here and dry overnight with a fan. In the morning, I'll take a little bit of mop and glow, give him a nice little paint of mop and glow, and that's it, guys. If you have any questions on how to do anything that I do in my videos, just shoot it down in the comments. I try to get back to everybody. Once again, I appreciate you guys being here. I apologize for not hitting play when I pressure washed, but it's pressure washing. It's not that exciting. But anywho, I'm going to get cleaned up here. You guys are awesome for sticking around. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like and the bell if you enjoy this content. So every time I upload, you'll get a notification for it. All right. God bless you. And like I always say, life is short. Do good things. Peace.